What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, you and I are going to create a cartoon illustration of the cat in the hat. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two ovals for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We're going to start from the very top, come all the way down towards the bottom of our oval, and then pull that back up towards the top. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same sized oval on the right. So line up the top, we're going to bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. In the center of each eye, I'm going to draw a smaller oval for the pupil. And then we'll fill those pupils in black. Now lining up with the bottom edge of the eyes, we're going to move to the center and draw an oval for the nose, going all the way around and back up. In the center, draw a short line coming down. Let's go back up to the top, draw a small oval for highlight, and we'll fill the bottom of the nose in black. Now I want to add a fold underneath each eye, starting from the left side, bend this down and out, do the same thing on the right. Now from here, we're going to move out to the side and draw two curves for the cheeks. Let's start on the left. Come in and then out. Let's line this up over on the right side. Now on the left side, I'm going to draw the mouth. We're going to come down in the middle, round out the mouth, and then pull that up towards the right. Let's go back to the center, draw a short line going up, and then we're going to step down at a curve for the lower lip. Let's go back just up above the eyes and add a curve. Starting from the left, we're going to go up and then back down towards the right for the edge of the hat. Now to layer the ears on top. From here, we're going to step down, bend this up and out. And we're just going to curl up the end, going up towards the tip. Let's go down along the bottom of the ear, come in and then down. And we'll bend that back in towards the side of the head. Let's trace the ears along the inside, starting in between these two lines, bend this up and out, come down and then back in. Now I want to layer the cheeks on top of the ears. So we're going to step in, then this out, and then down. I'm going to add some fur across the cheeks. Draw a short line going up and in. Let's add another point. Coming down and in, and then back up. Let's curve this down and in towards the chin. Bend this down, into right about there. We're going to leave a gap in between. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw the top edge of the hat brim. Just drawing that same curve going all the way across and behind the ears. Let's add in the eyebrows. Go up and then down along the side. Let's add a couple spots on either side for the whiskers. Now we're going to draw on the side of the hat. Let's start all the way over on the left side. We're just going to bend this out, go up, and then in toward the top. Let's add a fold, going across towards the right, and then bend that down. Now from here, we're going to create that fold. Stepping back, go out, round out the hat, and then bend that in. Let's add one more fold. Stepping back, bend this around, down, and then out. Now I want to add those stripes inside the hat. Let's start from the bottom left, bend this up, and then across, step up and draw that again. Step up, draw one more, going all the way across. Now I'm going to go back down and draw in the bow tie. Let's start just underneath the chin with an oval, and come down, and then back up. On the top side of that knot, bend the tie going out and then up. Let's round this out, come down and then in. Let's add another bump along the bottom, going down and out. Pull that up. I'm just going to tuck this in behind that knot. Let's add a fold on either side of that knot, going up and out. Now from the bottom of the head, draw 2 straight lines going down in behind the tie. Let's add the bottom of the tie, starting on the left, come around and up in the middle, come down and up on the right side. Now from here, we're going to draw the arms folded in towards the center of the body. Let's start on the left side of the tie, go around towards the elbow and then down. Let's round out the arm and then bend that in. Let's draw the edge of the cuff going up and in. Bend the arm going out and then up towards the side. Now on top of the forearm, bend the body going up and in. Let's add a thick cuff around the wrist. From the top, bends up and down. And the same thing along the bottom, coming down and up. Close off the inside with that same curve. Now you want to bend the thumbs coming in towards the middle. Starting on the left, bends in and up. Same thing on the right. Round up the thumbs and then come down in the middle. Now I'm going to interlock the fingers in the middle. Starting in the center, go out towards the right, go to the left, go across towards the right, and then back towards the left. Let's round out the bottom finger and come up toward the bottom of the right wrist. And we'll close off the bottom of the left hand. Now just underneath the hands, we're going to draw a curve going up and then down. And in the center, draw a straight line coming down to separate the legs. Now I'm going to curve the bottom of the feet. Let's start from the middle, go out, and bend the foot coming down on either side. And we'll draw on the first toe, going up and in. Let's layer that second toe in behind. We step up, go up, and just pull that down towards the ankle. And then we're going to go back up underneath the arms, bend the body and legs going out, and then bend that in towards the ankle. Let's bring the tail across on the left side. We'll start from the left hip, bend this down, go up and in, bend this back out, and then in. Let's round up the end of the tail. I'm just going to follow those curves coming back in towards the side of the hip. Let's go back and add that signature shading to our character. We're going to start with the tail. Starting from the end, I'm just going to draw a zigzag pattern going across towards the inside. And we want to leave some gaps in between, so we're just roughly shading this in. Let's shade in the ears. Again, just leaving some white space in between. Now on the left side of the head, we're going to add that shading going across the cheek and then in towards the bottom of the neck. So we're going to start up here. Again, just leaving some gaps going all the way around the cheek. I'm just going to bend this down and then in. Let's go up towards the right side and come down towards the ear. Let's continue along the cheek. Again, just roughing this in, coming in towards the chin. Let's add some shadows to the neck, going across, and then the arms. Starting from the shoulder, go all the way around, then in towards the cuff, go to the right side, and go in the opposite direction. Let's shade in the hips coming down towards the ankle. So we'll start on the left, just coming in. And I'm going to shade it in the foot and just blend out towards the heel. Going across and then in. Let's go all the way back up to the top and add some shadows along the side of the hat. Let's start from the top. I'm just going to add these short lines going across in an angle. And just working our way down and just leaving some random gaps in between. Let's go over towards the right side. We're going to go up and in. And then we'll finish off by starting our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of the cat in the hat. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.